I had a little problem with the Saturn the other day. I took the keys out of the ignition, like you see on the seat right there. The headlight switch was in the off position. I opened the door, and that happened. That is abnormal. Not supposed to do that. So most likely there was a problem with the ignition lock cylinder. So I took it out, cleaned it, put it back, and that did not fix it. So I'm not going to replace the lock cylinder and recode it and all that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify the Chime module. I'm going to take the key reminder that goes up to the ignition lock cylinder, take that out of the circuit. We're going to modify the Chime module, and we're going to do that today. First thing we're going to do is remove our negative battery cable from the battery. A bunch of reasons. One, I don't want to hear that chime while I'm working. That's a good one right there. Alright. Now there is a little lock right on the bottom of that Chime module. And if we pry that down, click, hear that? Click. It's loose. I'm holding it up a little bit so it won't re-engage. Alright, there's the module. Yes, what the heck's that tape doing on there? I put the tape on there because I didn't want to listen to that thing chime for the last couple of days till I did something about it. Now, if we look inside there, we will see all kinds of numbers in there. And if I didn't have it upside down, you'd be able to see it. There's number 7 right there on the right. That's the one I'm going to tackle. Alright, let's disassemble our module here. Okay, pin 7. Oh, jeez, I forgot. Which is pin 7? Right here. Double check. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bend it right down here out of the way. Now, before I put it back together, I wanted to show you what number 7 pin looks like. Right there. All bent over. Now we can put it back together. Oops, don't want to forget this. There we go. Now let's put it back in. Next thing we want to do in our mod is to find the electrical connector that plugs into the ignition switch. And the loom of wires that go to the connector, we're looking for a black wire in the loom. And what we want to do is we want to splice in a inline fuse holder in that black wire. And in that fuse holder, we want to put a 5 amp fuse. And we're doing this so when the switch fails, it grounds the battery through that wire. So we want to put that fuse holder in that black wire that runs down from that connector right there. I've just plugged the Chime module back in, and I put the negative battery cable on the battery. And so now we're going to go over and see if it is fixed. There's the keys, they're out. Let's see what happens when we open the door. Yes! That's what we want. Silence. Alright. But wait a minute. One of the most important things is, what about the headlight reminder? Let's see if that works. Otherwise this mod is no good. Let's turn the headlights on. Open the door. Yes! That's what we want. Alright. So the mod is successful. A little follow-up on this video. It's been about a month since I did the modification on the Chime module, and no problems. It's been working out fine. But remember, it's a modification. So if you want to do this, do it at your own risk. Now, this particular mod I got off of the Saturn Fans website. So if there's any problem, go to them, not me. But like I said, it's been a month, no problems. It's been working out fine. Now, if you don't want to do the mod on the Chime module, probably a new lock cylinder would cure the key out chime problem like this one was having. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys.